Delphiniums are a top choice of numerous landscapers, however can in some cases be a test. They incline toward damp, cool summers and don't admission well in a blistering, dry climate. The plants additionally loathe unexpected breeze or downpour. Planting. Grow in ripe, very much depleted soil in full sun to light shade, with cover from solid breezes. Plant in the spring. Set up the dirt, blending in 2 to 4 crores of manure. Delphinium is a class comprising of more than 300 species. Some are annuals, others are biennials or perennials. Some grow effectively from seed, others don't. Burrow an opening double the width of the plant's holder. When planting, guarantee that the top of the root ball is level with the dirt. In the spring, broadcast lime, wood cinders, or a combination of the two over this soluble or during lasting care. Supplement bolsters no later than mid-spring or when the plants arrive at 12 inches high. Stake the low-growing perennials with twiggy, brushwood uphold. The taller, huge-bloomed delphiniums need solid stakes. The soil ought not to dry out. Water plants throughout the mid-year if precipitation is under 1 inch for each week. For great quality blossom spikes, slender shoots when 3 inches high, leave at least 2 or 3 shots on youthful plants, and 5 to 7 shots on grounded ones. In growth, water all plants uninhibitedly, applying reasonable fluid manure each 2 to 3 weeks. Deadhead by scaling spent blossom spikes back to little, blooming side shoots. After delphiniums have completed the process of sprouting, slice blossom stalks to the ground, and new, however more modest, bloom stalks will create. The flowers will endure the coming cold days and even light ices. On the off chance that delphiniums should be isolated in the spring, eliminate and replant the new little plants growing around the outside of the bunch. Dispose of the hard old heart.